Face pulls. The main muscles used are the rear delts. To perform this exercise correctly, grab a rope attachment and set up your pulley at shoulder height. Hold onto the rope with your thumbs pointed down and in a neutral grip. Initiate the movement by pulling your elbows back and finish the movement by externally rotating at the shoulder, squeezing your upper back together, finishing with your hands at eye level. Straighten your arms back to starting position. Avoid placing the pulley too high or too low. And avoid keeping your hands in front of your face and not finishing with external rotation.